We have three different models based on pressure setting range. We have 0 to 10 bar pressure setting for positive pressure. We have 0 to minus 1 bar pressure setting for vacuum, and we have minus 1 bar to plus 1 bar pressure setting for compound setting. This is the picture of a digital pressure sensor. This is the front side. You can see the display. This is a two-color display, and you can see three buttons: up arrow, this is down arrow, and this is set button. This is back side. You will find one power connector, and this is the pneumatic air connector. You should connect the pneumatic pipe to this connector, and this is the cable. It comes with 5 wires, 2 wires for power supply, and 2 wires for digital output, and 1 wire for analog output connection. In digital pressure sensor settings, there are two type of settings. One is initial settings and advanced settings. You should hold this set button for 3 seconds to go into initial setting mode, and you should hold 5 seconds to go to advanced setting mode. Hold set button for 3 seconds to go to initial setting mode. Set output 1 based on your requirement. Set NO or NC for output 1. Click set to go to next. Set output 2, or you can make it off. Set response time. Different response times are available. Set display color setting. Then set unit setting. That's it. This is how you should do the initial settings. Hold set button for 5 seconds to go to advanced setting mode. Here you can set the hysteresis value based on your requirement. Here you can select the display color for output 1 or output 2. This is power mode on off. This is reset on off. This is a fine adjustment on off. And now it come back to normal mode. Hold set button for 3 seconds to go to initial setting mode. Then select output 1 as OPS for 1 point setting. Then select NONC response time and all. Then come back to normal mode. Now in normal mode we should set the P1 pressure. So now 4.37 bar is there, so I am reducing it. I am going to set 3 bar. After the pressure setting, we will increase the pressure. Now the air pressure is 0 and P1 is set for 3 bar. Let's increase the air pressure. When air pressure crosses 3 bar, the output gets on. Now the air pressure crossed 3 bar, so output 1 gets on. And it is off now, output is off because the air pressure is below 3 bar. Again we increased, so it crossed 3 bar, so output got on. Similarly, if the air is below 3 bar, it get off. This is called 1 point setting mode. Hold set button for 3 seconds to go to initial setting mode. Here you select output 1 as HYS. and you set NO or other things already I explained. Then come back to normal mode. Here we should set L1 and H1. So L1 is 5 bar is there. So lower point, I'm going to set L1 as 2 bar. Let's set L1 as 2 bar. Then we'll set H1. H1 I'm going to set 3 bar. So you should use upper arrow and lower arrow to set the pressures. So I set H1 to 3 bar. Now pressure is 0. Let's increase the pressure now. As per hysteresis mode, now the output will get on above 3 bar. H1 is 3 bar, so now the output 1 get on when it cross 3 bar. As per hysteresis mode of function, so it will get off below 2 bar. Because we set L1 as 2 bar, so the output will get off below 2 bar. Again, if we increase the pressure, it will get on above 3 bar, means above H1 it will get on, and below L1 it will get off. This is called hysteresis mode of function. Below 2 bar it get off. Hold set button for 3 seconds to go to initial setting mode. Here you select window comparator mode, then come back to home position. This is the normal mode. Here we should set L1 and H1. L1 already set 2 bar and H1 is set for 3 bar. Now we'll increase the pressure. So when it crossed 3 bar, the output got on. So above 3 bar, it is off. So in window comparator mode, between the range it will be on, and out of the range it will be off. We set L1 as 2 bar and H1 as 3 bar. 2 to 3 bar it will be on, and below 2 bar and above 3 bar it will be off. This is called window comparator mode. Here we will see 0 to 5 volts analog output function. We are checking this with 0 to 10 bar digital pressure sensor. You can see here at 0 bar pressure voltage is 1 volt. This is the minimum range. If we increase the pressure, the voltage will increase. So remaining 4 volts is distributed over 0 to 10 bar. It means if we increase 2.5 bar pressure, the voltage will be 2 volts. If we increase pressure to 5 volts, voltage will be 3 volts. If we increase pressure to 7.5 bar, then voltage will be 4 volts. Then finally, if we increase the pressure to 10 bar, then voltage will be 5 volts. This is how it is proportionally related. Now let's increase the pressure. We are increasing the pressure. When pressure reaches 2.5 bar, we will get 2 volts. This is how we should use analog output for our requirement. You can see here we have some accessories for digital pressure sensor for mounting. The first one is for vertical mounting, second for horizontal mounting, and we have glasses for panel mounting. Thanks for watching this video. For more details, please write us at sales@metalwork.in. Thank you.